welcome to yet another video. Today you join me on the car park of the NEC. We're going to see Boat Live Show. Now thinking about the boat build, can I fit two 350s on? I wish. One thing I like to see is Kawasaki jet skis are back in the UK. Now it's been quite a while since they've been imported, but here's the stand. And people who know me of old, I used to have a Kawasaki Ultra LX myself. It was an absolutely fantastic ski. From looking at them right now though, they haven't changed too much, but they're absolutely cracking hull. And yeah, let's have a look at them. That's a lot of power for a spark, 180 horsepower. Try and keep that in the water. Let me have a go. One thing I'm noticing with ribs these days, they are going to aluminium hulls. Here's one, the Spirit 285. Let's have a look. Maybe you're not a sea boater at all, maybe you like something else such as the canal. There are options here to have a look at. It's time we got into a little bit of racing. Thank you Lano Shield for giving me some free products to try on the trailer to protect the trailer. Definitely be giving this a go. You will see this in the vlog, in the boat build soon. So it's been great to be back at a boat show in the NEC, and it's a nice show for pleasure craft, that's for sure. Not too much in the big stuff, but that's okay. That's all down in Southampton in September. For now, boat life, it's been very good. Only small, but hopefully it will build in the next few years. Hope you've enjoyed what you've seen, and we will see you, one more spin, in the next one. See you later.
Alright mate, how you doing? Like your videos, you're from Angus here.
So we are back at the car now. It's been a great show. Thank you very much for the 30% off. Really appreciated that. And yeah, hopefully the show will build next year. Have a few more things. But for now, yeah, I like where it's going. But for now, please subscribe, hit that like button, all that sort of jazz. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.